I always recommend beginners to freelancing to start with a freelancing platform, but you shouldn't rely 100% on a freelancing platform, and I'm going to show you why. When I started my freelancing career, I started with freelancer.com, and for some reasons I didn't like freelancer.com, so I stopped using it and I started using fiverr.com. And I started using fiverr.com. I managed to find my first few clients, and I managed to gain few 5-star reviews. And you know, when you are just getting started, even one 5-star review is very valuable, because that's what is going to help you find your next client. So I found my first few clients, and I also managed to find one agency client. And agency client is just a client that has an agency. They accept projects from client. They accept more than they can do themselves. So they outsource some project to newer freelancers and they pay them a part of the fee. So I managed to find one agency client, and that means I have an access to a consistent project every week. And suddenly Fiverr asked me to verify my identity. And I use all the identification that I have. I use my national identification. They rejected it. I use a driver's license. They rejected it. And then I knew I had to register for an international passport, because I think that's the only thing they will accept at this point. And so I decided to find some time, go to the passport office, register for an international passport, and verify my identity with it. But before I could do that, they just sent me an email and notified me that they closed my account because I did not verify my identity. And suddenly I lost all the few 5-star reviews that I have, and I lost access to my client, to the clients that are going to be giving me projects consistently, and I had to start from zero. And this is heartbreaking. When you are just getting started, you manage to have a few 5-star reviews, and you manage to find some clients, and you had to restart from the beginning from zero. It was bad. So this is one of the major reasons why you shouldn't rely 100% on freelancing platforms. And just a few days ago, I think it was the day before yesterday, I tried to message my graphic designer. He was on Fiverr, and I just checked out his profile, and Fiverr said this seller is no longer available, explore other sellers. And before I can reach out to him, he reached out to me via email, and he let me know that Fiverr shut down his account for violating their terms and conditions. And get this, he is a level 2 seller. He has over 1,000 5-star reviews. Over 1,000 5-star reviews, and they are all gone. All the credibility he built over years, they are all gone. The profile, the portfolio he has over there, everything is gone. All the clients that are giving him project consistently, they are all gone, except a few that he have access to their contact information. And this is a story that I've heard many times. Many times people have level 2 account, top rated account, and freelancing platform just shut down their account for violating their terms and condition. And there isn't any real violation of their terms and condition, because they use some AI algorithms to just check people's account. And if the AI algorithm decide that you violate their terms and condition, they just shut down your account. And when they shut down your account, you are going to find out that their support aren't going to be helpful. So this is why you should not rely 100% on a freelancing platform, because they could disappoint you at any time. Here is what I recommend you do instead. You should start with a freelancing platform, but any client that is valuable to you, any client that is going to be giving you project on a continuous basis, make sure you have either their email, their social media access, or any way that you can contact them in case if you have a problem with your freelancing account. Next, you should also learn how to find clients elsewhere, because if freelancing platform closes down your account, if you don't know how to find client anywhere else, then you just have to start from zero. You just have to start as a complete beginner in the freelancing platform. So this is very important. You need to know how to find client elsewhere. There are many other ways to find client. You can find client on Facebook. You can find clients using a direct email outreach. You can create content that attracts your ideal target client. So you need to know how to find client, not only on a freelancing platform. And you can watch this next video where I showed how you can find client, how you can find freelancing client on Facebook. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.